One time.
Hey!
Let me get the wine glass one time.
Jack it up.
Hey, Jack. Oh. Jack. Yo, come on, Jack. Yo. One clap.
Hey! Oh, okay. What you got, man? Get it in, Ronnie. Show them little niggas how you do it. Okay. Big boy on the jackhammer. Y'all playing around. You playing around. Who's gonna be serious, man? Okay.
Now my stuff right here, Jack.
What you got? Get Jack. Ow. Get Jack. Ow. Okay. Let's see how fast you got it. Oh, Jack. Oh, how fast you got it, man? Okay. Y'all niggas playing around, man. Let me show you how to do it, man.
Hey, Jack. Hold on. Yo, Jack. Let me get Jack.
I'm playing around with it, you feel me?
Like this. So
Jackhammer, you already know.
So you talking.
Feel me? What you got now? Switch it up on him, man. Come on, son. What you got for him? Show them how to do it, man. You already know how to do it. Okay. It's an E. Hey. Okay, man. Let's see what you got. Oh, okay. He trying to teach the kids wrong so he can do it better than them. That's fucked up, Roddy. Oh, what you got now? New and improved. Oh. Do it like you want to do it for TV, man. Jackhammer battle. Jack. What?
Jackhammer.
Jack. What? Jack. Oh.
Jack.
Do the jackhammer. Do the jackhammer. Let me hype this up, yo. Give me loud. I'm gonna hype it up.